Hello, my viewers. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well and you are doing great. Today is another day that the Lord has made for you and I to rejoice. You you just have to be rejoicing because it prolongs your lifespan. You get it. And so, my viewers, I want to make this appeal to you that endeavor to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell for more videos that I'm going to release in the future. Here we talk about purely business. Purely business. That's what we talk about here. And so, what I have for you today, the good news I have for you today is accounting is the language of business. Accounting is the language of business. When you talk about accounting, you are talking about business because what you used to establish the business is accounting. What you are using to grow in the business is accounting. What you are using to managing the business is accounting. Whatever thing you are doing as far as the business is existing is accounting. What am I talking about accounting? Is all in business and is the pure language of business. Because the resources you used to establish the business must be accounted for. And the resources you used, to stable the business is accounting. The resources you used to consolidate on the business is accounting. And the resources you are spending in production department is accounting. It must be accounted for. How about the resources in marketing and sales department? It's accounting. It must be accounted for. And so, all your income, the revenue, and all your expenses, it must be accounted for. In order for you to weigh your income and your expenses, if your income is more than the expenses, then you have to measure the performance and the cost of the business. Yes, and if your income is over 50% of the expenses, it means your business is thriving well. And so you need to concentrate more to develop the business. And if any department that is using accounting resources, you have to monitor such department to see whether the expenses of that department is more than the income of that department. And that is what I'm here to share with you today. That whatever thing you are doing is accounting purely in the business. And so the business is accounting is the business. They interwove. And so when I mean accounting is the language of the business, then you will now come down to see that accounting include these major factors to grow your business. Recording all business transactions. Any business transaction that the business you want to involve in, that particular transaction must be initiated. The next question is, which department is initiating that particular transaction? Or which unit of any department is initiating that particular transaction? And so, after you might have initiated that particular transaction, what follows to measure the performance and the cost of the business is for you to monitor that particular transaction until it finishes. Yes. And also to, accounting for that particular transaction within the business organization. In any transaction of the business, it must be initiated, it must be monitored, it must be controlled within the business to see whether the business is performing or not. Yes, accounting is a pure language of any business establishment. And accounting includes to managing your business is reporting accounting information to those that will use it to measure the performance of the business, whether the business is doing well or not. And so, when reporting accounting information, who are those people you are recording the accounting information to? One, you are reporting to the owners of the business to enable them to make decisions that will affect the business positively. Two, you are reporting accounting information to managers to enable them to make positive decisions in the business. Number three, you are reporting accounting information to employees to enable them to decide, to make decisions in the business. And you are equally reporting accounting information to investors, to government agencies, and equally to lender. Do you know why you are reporting accounting information to all of these people? To enable them to make decisions and to measure the performance of the business. These people are users of accounting information. Accounting is a pure language of any business organization, any business establishment. And so this accounting includes that all the business owners, the business managers, they will evaluate. They will evaluate and aid decision making within a specific report that was given to them. Yes, any accounting information that is being reported to business owners, to managers, to employees, to investors, to lender, and to government agency. All these things, decisions have to be made on that specific report that you have given to accounting information users. And you are doing this to those that need these reports to make a critical decision, to develop, to grow, to expound, to consolidate on the business. And that is the reason why I said accounting is business and business is accounting. Because accounting will enable you to analyze every transaction that took place in the business. In order for you to know, in order for the owners, the managers, the employee, or the accounting information users to know that yes, this particular transaction is in favor of the business or not. Either it is going in the expenses side or is coming as a revenue, as an income. This is what I am talking about. As accounting is language of any business establishment. And so, my viewer, I want to implore you again to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and please do remember to drop a comment below for me in order for me to know what to talk about that you will benefit. Thank you.